So guys, welcome back to my another video, and in this video I'm going to give you the full review of the Maruti Suzuki Dzire. As you can see, so before starting the video I want to say special thanks to Mr. Bhushan Kumar who gave me such a great opportunity to shoot this and give you the review. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So let's go. So guys, this is the Maruti Suzuki Dzire. Now let's quickly have a walk around. So first let's talk about the front look. So the front look is quite decent and stylish also. Now let's talk about the front grille. Here the chrome garnish grille has been provided to this car, which looks so pretty good. Now on the Dzire you will get a wider grille which looks so good by look and style also. Now let's talk about the headlamps. These are the halogen headlamps taken from the Swift as well, and the bulb headlamps has been provided. Also the adjustable headlamps are available, and the indicators are bulb. Look at the indicators, these are the bulb indicator as you can see, and lots of curve work has been done like here. So lots of curve work has been done. So if we talk about this, here no front fog lamp has been provided. Chrome garnish has been provided to this car which looks so good, and body color bumper has been provided to this which is also so good. Now let's talk about the length of this car. 3995 mm is the length, and if we talk about the width, 1768 mm is the width of this car. Now the side profile is also so nice. Look at the length, look at the length and the car. The length is under 4 meter which looks so good. This is a proper sedan. And if we talk about this, the tire, these are not the alloy, these are simple steel wheels available on this car. And if we talk about the tire size, 165 by 80 R14 tires are available. MacPherson strut suspension at front, and at the rear you will get the torsion beam axle suspension, and the ventilated disc brakes are available for the front, and at the rear you will get the drum. So lots of noises here, but I need to continue my work. So let's get to the rear. I have already shown you this, the torsion beam axle suspension and the drum brakes. Now let's talk about the rear work. The rear is quite same. They have kept the rear same as well. Look at the rear, looks so good. And this is a chrome strip or chrome garnish has been provided here, which make this more pretty good. Massive logo of Maruti Suzuki and Dzire badging is here. Now let's talk about the tail lamp. So the tail lamps are LED, which looks so nice. So these are the LED tail lamps. Now let's open the boot. So also before opening the boot you need to see this. Here you will get the power antenna. Now time to open the boot. So let's open the boot. So here the boot is 368 liter of boot space has been provided to this car, which looks so good, and the boot is quite decent, also so nice. A massive boot space has been given. If we talk about the rear work of this car, the rear is so small, so in comparison to that work we can see lots of massive space has been given to keep your luggage or stuff whatever you want to keep. And if we talk about the spare tire, here the spare tire is, these are steel, as the standard tires are also not the alloy, that's why. So these are also the R14 tires are available here, which looks so good. So now let's close this and get to the front. So here also the lights has been provided, so which is also so good. So now let's get to the front of this car. So I have already shown you everything. Now let's talk about the ORVM. At the side I have not told you about the ORVM because this is the mind-boggling work. Here you will get the power adjustable and electrically folding ORVM, which is also so good, and an indicator has been provided to this. Indicator is placed here, which is also so good. Now electrically folding ORVM is provided. Now let's get to the interior and look at the interior work. Now time to show you the interior. So keyless feature is also available. So let's open the door. So I will talk to you about the engine later inside the car. Now let's look at the door. Dual tone door has been provided, and the door and the dual tone work has been so good on this car because of this look and the work. And if we talk about this here, the normal curve work has been provided everywhere. Look at this, and 1 liter water bottle space has been provided to you. That is also so good. You can easily keep your 1 liter water bottle, and also lots of space has been given to keep your stuff or whatever you want to keep, magazine and whatever you want to keep. Now let's talk about this control. So here the window control has been provided, auto down window control has been provided, also ORVM controls has been provided here. Now here to close the door, and this is to open the door. Now let's get to the interior because I can't wait to get inside this car. So guys, now let's talk about the seat. So look at this seat. This is so comfortable, and why I have said you in the starting of the video that this is a modern day beauty, I will tell you. The VXI variant is also a modern day beauty. I will tell you later on. Now let's talk about this. Here the height adjustable seats has been provided, also the adjustable seats are provided, which is also so good. And the design of this car is so luxurious. Look at the design. The design is so mind boggling, and I am so curious to get inside this car and love to know the features of this VXI variant. So let's get inside without wasting any time. So before getting inside, let's adjust the seat. So from single hand it is difficult, so let's close this and adjust. So now the seat has been adjusted, and here you will get the rear bonnet opener, or we can say that boot opener is given, and the fuel lid opener is also given. Now let's get inside. Getting inside is not so difficult. And what is this, yaar? Wow, what a comfort, yaar. Mind boggling. I am sitting on this car, looks so pretty, and the design is also so good. Now let's close the door, and if we look at the legroom, I have adjusted the seat and the legroom is so good. And if we talk about this is the normal seat and this is not adjusted. So look at the legroom. The legroom is so good, and the seat is so nice, so comfortable. Also the adjustable headrest make this car more good by design and more good by style. Now look here the steering is, so this is the adjustable steering wheel also. So let's adjust this. So as you can see, this is the adjustable steering wheel. Now let's again adjust this. So now let's talk about the cluster. So here you will get the multifunctioning trip meter as well. Here the tachometer is, and here the speedometer is, and the digital screen is also available to show you. The odometer is also available here, digital odometer, to show you the distance, how many kilometers you have driven in your car and what is the average this car is giving. And if you talk about the dashboard, the wood finish make this car more luxurious. You will not feel like for a single minute that you are sitting in just a normal car. This is not a normal, this is more luxurious than the previous one, and the dual tone and the wooden finish make this car more pretty good. And look at the center console. So the touch screen is not available for the VXI variant, but I am not feeling for a single minute that I am sitting in a base model or in a VXI variant. I'm so glad that I am sitting in a LXI variant, and I am so happy to sit in this Dzire because of the work. Now let's talk about this. Here no vanity mirror has been available, and there a vanity mirror has been provided. Here the light control has been given. So look at the light control, and here the inside rear view mirror is also available, and the dashboards look so good. The AC vents are available here. What I am talking about was the center console. So here you will get the two cup holders, and there is space to keep your phone, and also the charging sockets, and the USB aux cable has been provided on this car, which looks so pretty good and so nice. if we talk about this, so this is so awesome. Now look here, the silver garnish, silver strip has been provided for, and also here the radio has been provided, FM, AM, media, everything has been provided. The Bluetooth connectivity has been also provided, which is also so good. And the steering is multifunctioning, call pickup, call cut, and the Bluetooth option is also available. Here the mode and the volume increase and decrease button is also available. So this is a dummy and this is a real button. So wow, which is good. And silver garnish on steering looks so good, and this is sporty, quite sporty. And here the wiper control, here the head control has been provided, and here the gearbox is 5-speed gearbox has been provided, and here the silver garnish or chrome garnish has been provided, which looks so good. And here the hand brake is also available. And if we talk about this, here space has been given to keep your stuff also, and I will talk to you about the center console and later on. So the seat is so nice. So that's it for the front seat. Everything is so good, and the seat, I must say that the seats are so comfortable and so nice. Now let's get to the rear. So guys, now I have adjusted the seat, so let's get to the rear. So the rear is also so good, and the seats look so good. And if we talk about the door is quite simple, dual tone door, and the door is quite simple. Here the window control option has been given. Now let's get to the rear seat also. So getting inside, and lots of leg room and a big massive cabin has been provided to you, and the seat, and I am glad to know that the seats are so comfortable. Here the 1 liter water bottle space provided, and small space to keep your stuff also. Closing this. And if we talk about the work is also so good. Rear headlamps has been rear lights are provided, which is so heated up, and there the holders has been provided also. Here the holder is. And if we talk about the leg room, you can see the seat is adjusted. Each and every seat is at their normal position. And look at the leg room. Look at the knee room and the leg room. A massive knee room and leg room has been provided to this, and also the work of this rear adjustable headrest, which is also so good. And the rear AC vents are also so good, and the seat is so mind-boggling, so relaxing. Seats are provided also. Here you will get lots of leg room and the knee room, and also the under thigh support is so good in this car. And the best part of this car is the armrest has been provided to you also. So here the armrest has been provided, and also the 2 cup holders has been provided for the rear seat. My god, not for a single minute I thought I am feeling like that I am sitting in a VXi variant. This is so amazing. The car is so amazing, so nice. Maruti Suzuki, really appreciable work. You have made mind-boggling, mind-blowing, and awesome, pretty good, fantastic. And the words are not enough to praise this car, because the work is so nice. Now let's talk about the engine. So guys, the engine type of this car is 1.2 liter petrol engine has been provided to this. And if we talk about the engine displacement, 1197 cc engine has been provided, which will generate 88 bhp of horsepower, and the torque 113 Nm of torque, which is so good. If we talk about the VXi variant, what will be the mileage generation? So the mileage generation is about 23 kmpl, which is also so good. 23 kmpl mileage is so good and so nice. The comfort is so good because of this, because of the seat, because of the whole look. And the interior look is also so nice and so luxurious as well. And I have already shown you the whole look of this car, each and every thing of this car. So let's talk about the safety feature. So the safety feature, the first safety feature is the ABS EBD. So both are available in this car, and also for the rear you will get the drum, and for the front you will get the disc brakes, which are also so good. And also the seat belts are available, power window front are available. And if we talk about this, the many more work safety features, adjustable seats are available, which is also a safety feature. And if we talk about many more, about 4 parking sensor has been given to this car at the rear. I have shown you the 4 parking sensors, which are also so good. So guys, this was the Maruti Suzuki Dzire. So please tell me in the comment section how much you like this video and how much you like this car. So guys, if you like this video, so don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel, so please click on the red subscribe button and become the member of my family by subscribing my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notified of my videos. So guys, that's it for today guys. आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. टिल देन गुड बाय.